be solving one lead code question. Remove duplicates from sorted array. So the question I will summarize you very easily in 2 to 3 points. You need to remove duplicates from an sorted array, and the array is sorted. The next point, and the constraint is you can't create any new array. Like you need to solve this in O of one space. And the examples they have given us like below down are 1 comma 1 comma 2. Like in this there are two unique elements 1 comma 2 and the length will be 2. In this case the unique elements are 5, 0 1 2 3 4. You need to return 5. And don't think like you will be creating one new array. What you need to do is put these two elements at the front of the array, like 1 comma 2. Like you won't be returning the length only, like you need to change in the current array also. This is the question, like, oh, I will calculate the length and I will return. First change, you need to create like return the length and change the values, like put the values, unique values in the front of the array. Like we will put these 0 1 2 3 4 in the first 5 values, and the rest does not matter because you have given the length 5. So let's try to understand this first. Where is the square? I will create now 1 where I will put some values 1 2 2 2 3 3 4. So indexes will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry for this because I have not that much good handwriting here. 5 6 and 7. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 8 elements we have. So what the approach will be like, I need to create one pointer. This I will be pointing to 0 at the beginning, and j will be pointing to all the next values. And this j is the iteration, like we will iterate j up to, like if I is 0, so what we will check for if the next element is 1 or not. Hey, it is 1, so increment j plus 1. J will be incremented every time. Next condition I will show you what it is. Now j becomes 2, like I is 0 but j becomes after 1 incrementing 2. So j becomes 2. It is not equal at that time. When you see like it is not equal to the previous element's value, so you need to assign this 2 value to I plus 1 position. Like I was 0, so it is already a unique element, so next unique element is 2. So you can get it because these are same values. First element will be unique and the next unique element will be the next not equal to these value, like this one value. So this is the second unique element, so you need to plot at the next position of where your first unique element is. First unique element is at 0th position, here you can see. So now you need to put at 1 index. So at 1, it means like we need to put at I plus 1 position. We need to put this jth value. So here we will put 2, and now we will increment I also, I plus 1. It is looking like C, but if I put a dot here, it is I. It is I equal to I plus 1. So now I is 1 and j is, we will increment j every time, so j will become 3. J is equal to 3. Now, so what you need to think is, now I is 1 and array of ith value is 2, so 2 is equal to 2, so nothing happens. We increment j equal to 4. 4 is also fourth index value is also 2, so nothing happens. We increment I as 5. So now this is the third unique element. So what you need to put it at third index, and I is now 1, so you need to again do I plus 1 index position we will assign this jth value. This is 3, and same goes on. Now I will increment to 2, and now it will again check j is always incremented, so j will point to 6th position. Now I is 2, j is 3, so we will check whether it is equal to this or not. Like I is 3, it will not equal to it is equal to 3, so nothing happens, j is incremented. Now next come the fourth element, like fourth unique element, so we will put here at this position. This is like, this is basic thing, like you need to put mm, you need open another, don't save. What you need to do is simply put is like I will take one small example, 1 1 2 2 3. You will check for the first element of all make unique, so you will pick the next unique element at put at I plus 1 position every time, and increment I also. If it is this, these two steps you will execute when not, like the element next element is not equal to the previous element. We will assign I plus 1 index the jth value, and j we will be incrementing every time, j plus 1. This is the step that we will be executing every time, and it will go up to the length of the array. So now let's start. I will show you. This is two pointer approach. Int I equal to 0, int j equal to I plus 1. Now it's done. Now what you need to do is iterate until j is less than equal to array dot length. Now just put what I told you in the approach was, we will check if array of I is not equal to value we are checking, array of jth. At this point we will we have founded the unique element, so we need to put at ith position, because first element is always unique, so we will put at I plus 1 position this next unique element. We have put it the next unique element. Now we need to increment I also, because I needs to point to the second element, I plus 1. Okay, and now the last step is like every time you will be incrementing j, like j will be pointing to j plus 1 every time, whether this condition is true or not, because we need to check whether uh, for the next iteration it is equal to or not. It is other condition that we have written for if loop, if condition, but j will be going up to the last index. Like this is array of length minus 1, because array of length because array index starts from 0. If like 5 is the length of the array, then 0 1 2 3 4 we need to go up to the fourth index, because array starts from 0. Now if you can see, if length is 2, uh, index will be, in our case the output will be what you can see, return I. 0th position 1 is there, 1th index is 2 is there, so index what we will be returning is 1, but the output is 2. In this case we will be returning index 4, but the output is 5. So in that case we need to do I plus 1. I can also show you like this, but this will give you wrong output. Just do it with, why it is taking too much. Oh, I think my internet is not working, but I think it will work in some time. I plus 1 we need to return. So hello, uh, sorry for the interruption, but now I will run this code, whether let's see whether the output is correct or not. So here it is, the output is correct, so now I will submit the solution. So it is accepted. So what I will try to show you, I will try to show you with Python also. I know basic Python only, I am not that much good in Python, but I will try to show you in Python also. Why it is not going to Python? So now I will show you the Python code also. I have also done this Python code, so I will do it again. This logic will be same. You need to initialize I with 0 and mm, I with 0 and j with I plus 1, or you can assign I plus 1. Now you need to call while loop and go up to while j is less than length of array, like -1, because we will be going up to, like, if the array's length is 5, we will going up to 4th position, so that's why I have done -1. Now I need to check if array of I, हाँ हल्ला मत करो, sorry for the interruption. If then if these two are not equal, so we have founded the unique element. Now we need to assign to ith position, I plus 1 position, I plus 1th index. We will assign this array of j value. Now I need to also increase the value of I, so this is done, and j will be incrementing every time. This is indentation error, j equal to j plus 1. This is, and let's say if we are returning I've already show you return I plus 1. That's we have done I plus 1 because if you are returning 4th, that means you are returning the 4th index, not the length. So that's why I have done I plus 1. Let's see whether the code works or not. It is accepted, so now I will submit again. I've already done this, but I'm trying to show you how I did it. So it is working. Thanks for this video. Hope it helps you. I will come again with another video.